Joey here, bringing you a simple interview that my little brother is going to do for me here, Vesp and I. If you want to, subscribe to him, show him a little bit of love, it's all good. But it's about my PC build, and he's just going to ask me a few questions on what's going on and how far I am and what I'm going to be doing with it. So, alright, so let's get this started.
Okay, question one. What kind of PC are you going to build? What brand?
Well, what I'm building is not really a brand. It's more or less just a project, because you can't really brand your computer if you're building it. You're building it, so it's, I guess, technically your brand, unless you want to tell them all the brands you use for the insides, I guess, the guts.
Are you going to use multiple parts from one brand, or are you going to vary your parts throughout different brands?
More or less, just performance. I'm not really too worried about brands, whatever works for what I'm actually trying to do. So like, if a video card is going to be an Asus or something, and then I go to, I don't know, maybe like IBM chips or something, like I would do that. It doesn't really matter. I want to mix and match anyways, more likely.
When your computer is built, are you going to mainly focus it on YouTube?
Mostly, because it's going to be like vlogs and like, for life situations and random stuff. But, I am going to maybe try to throw a little bit of like gaming stuff in there, every now and then, but I'm not going to like go towards gaming. But I might throw a few episodes of that, but I doubt it. It's going to be like, I guess, another field compared to that. And then maybe throw in some gaming. Like I might do some PC gaming and stuff, because I kind of like the way the graphics look on a PC compared to console.
Talking about PC games, what kind of games do you have in mind?
Well, I actually do have a Steam account already, and I bought I think it was like $15. I think it's called Stranded Deep. That's what it was called. And it's like a little, survival game. You gotta like start on an airplane. The airplane crashes, and then you're on a boat and you survive on an island. It's pretty cool. You guys should check it out. I think it's only $15. It might be on sale right now. I have no idea, but there are free games on Steam, so you might want to check that out if you're gonna try to get into the PC gaming. But definitely, like shooting games, FPSs. Possibly like mass multiplayer online, but I'm not too sure yet, honestly.
Involving shooting games, are you going to play any of the popular shooting games for PC right now, so as well as like CSGO?
CSGO, I heard there's actually money to be made with that game, so I might check it out, but I'm not sure yet. I might check it out, see if it goes well. If it doesn't, then whatever. But I'm definitely gonna focus on the vlogs for the channel, more or less.
When you're gonna edit your vlogs, what kind of editing software do you have in mind, or are you still looking?
Still in the process of looking, because by the time my computer is actually fully built, there's probably gonna be some kind of newer stuff out. So. But I am gonna, keep in mind. I know there's something that Sony, I think, put out. I'm not too sure what the actual name is, and one of my best friends just bought a software, and he's actually using it to edit and stuff. And see what he thinks about that. See if he'll throw out a review on it or something. You can actually subscribe to his channel. It's JDBoy91. He does a lot of Call of Duty gaming, Black Ops 3, stuff like that. So yeah, check him out. He's pretty cool. Also, my one of my other best friends, Steel City 36. He's pretty up there, in the levels. Check him out. But yeah.
Are you going to be doing any future live streams on your channel?
For gaming, I don't know. That's kind of like not my thing. But I mean, I might try it a few times. I doubt it, but I might. No promises. But yeah, so we're gonna leave it at that. You know, just putting a little information out there, let you guys know where I'm actually headed, future future movements. So yeah, keep it real. Just hit that like button. All right, see you later.